In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out and cash up even if you don't have a US bank account. And this is absolutely free. So even if you don't have a bank account, I'll show you if you can legit cash out and cash up. And this is 100% free as well, guys. So if you don't have one of these cash cards, you can also check my link in the description how to get a cash card, and I will definitely show you how to cash out your money from Cashapp. 100% free even if you don't have a US bank account. Ensure that you like this video, and you can also subscribe to my channel to join the family. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Also, if you see an ad pop up, you definitely can watch that ad to the end because it definitely helps the channel as well. Ensure that you don't miss out on any steps, because there is also a bonus in this video that will help you on your cash app as well. Also, thanks for watching this video. Ensure that you watch to the end, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first step, I want you to go to your cash app, then go to the top right corner of your screen and click the profile icon. You're going to scroll down and go to link banks. Once you're here, you probably see my bank account here, but what I'm going to do is replace bank. It's going to ask you for your bank's short code. Your Cash App might be a bit different because it's asking you for a routing number. Not to worry, you don't have a routing number. I'm going to show you how to get a US bank account that is 100% free as well. All you have to do is ensure that you subscribe and like the video and watch until the end. So I'm going to exit from Cash App. Now we're going to type in Wise. Wise. This is also a mobile app that is available in the Google App Store, in the Google Play Store, and the Apple App Store. So the Wise app provides you with a US account with several accounts. For you, you're going to use a US account in order to cash out your funds. Also, this app will also give you free $60 US dollars for joining the app. So this is the bonus feature as well. So once you join this app and cash out and send money to your friends, you will earn $60 US. You will also need to use my code in the description to get this free $60 from Wise. But in order to get your account details, what you will have to do is click the account, for example, then you're going to click the receive button. Once you're here, you're going to choose view and share account details. This will then populate your account details such as your routing number and your account number. This is your specific routing and account number. With this routing and account number, you can use for any online wire transfer as well. And then now what you're going to do is add your bank account. So for example, you're going to go to recipients. Once you're here at recipients, you're going to click add at the top right corner of the screen. After selecting add, you're going to choose myself, or if you're using someone else's bank, you'll definitely go to someone else, but I'm going to choose myself. So I'll be using Scotiabank. What you can do, you can open a US account through your bank such as Scotiabank or NCB, or you can use regular currency, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to enter your bank's routing number. You can find your bank routing number online. For example, I'm using NCB, so I'm going to type in NCB routing number. Wise. And why I choose Wise, because Wise already have the selected routing number, so it will be easier for you to find as well. So you're going to click Wise. As you can see, the green icon from Wise, that is your routing number with the triple X. So you're going to copy this routing number and paste it into the Wise. If you're using the online version, you definitely can use that as well. Then you're going to select the wire transfer, and then you're going to enter the account number in the account number section. So your account might be a bit different from mine, but I'm just going to show you an example. Once you click confirm, you're going to then see it here. ending in 0123. You're going to click send. So after you have cash out on Cash App, so you're going to cash out the $500 from Cash App. Then it will take a day or so to show in your Wise account. After the money is in your Wise account, you're going to send the money from your Wise account directly to your home or directly to your bank account that is anywhere in the world. After you have sent it to your bank account may have a fee, it may not have a fee, but you can also check your bank information or check your bank rates to see if they charge a fee for a specific wire transfer. After that is done, you will definitely have your US dollars or your money in your account and access your money for 100% free. Also, if this video has helped you in any way, shape or form, ensure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to know how to get a free US card or a free cash card, you can also check the link in my description. Thanks for watching. Peace.